Man, a cushion my heart. No, don't ask me no question and then me not go tell you no lie. Anyways, when me a go to school, them used to say we a generation of vibe at all we did bad. But you see when me say bad, me not talk bad with man, me talk bad cause we love war. You see them little girl here? A generation of vampire. This morning while I was came into work, I have to mix Patlish and English with this incident. Because when me see if me that drive carry crash, if me that drive bus me run it off a road, I saw incident really upset me. Me see this little girl with a ratted Hickey a fear neck. I must stand up fear man, stand up in her crown or head to put that Hickey there fear neck. No normal man couldn't put on that Hickey there. Fear neck look like a crick if you put on that Hickey there. And she just had turn her neck in a one position so you could have see Hickey her neck. And you know what hurt me? She need to stay good. She favor French fry lizard tail, favor Janga them down a river. Me don't know how she scale so like fish. She fear earthworm and it make me upset. She never stay good and even one fat look good girl where I could have said, boy, she stay good and go to school. I could have said she stay back for you seriously grade 9 print pan her. She care more than 14, 15. And uno dirty mama and dirty papa and dirty stepfather allow the pitney to come out her house because uno mama put out the pitney for the prostitution. If you take care of Uno and Uno stepfather have a little girl them now also sex them up because Uno say young meat better than the old one. Uno want a chicken with the neck hang down, so Uno take the mother, Uno take the daughter, Uno take the granddaughter, Uno allow them to stay and then Uno get up and I blame cartel and I blame alkaline and I blame popcorn. Cartel, alkaline or popcorn a sex off no little pitney and them a sex off on the pitney and them a put Hickey on the pitney neck and them a put out on the pitney for do prostitution. Uno dirty mama, Uno allow Uno pitney for stay so. And as teachers and principal, you couldn't allow a little 15 or 13-year-old in a school with that the big old Hickey neck and teacher go allow pitney in a class with that the Hickey neck. And then you get up every day and talk this and talk that and artist, this and artist, that and song, this and that song, that. Them pitney then not get no good parenting. But you see little girl too, my stomach sick to see Hickey put Hickey pan fear neck, her head dry like me. She fear bald murk like it, still she have a Hickey pan her neck. Me so ignorant this morning, me just feel for stop talking, you know. God see I know. The little girl don't even look like she sensitive. She good can't even spell her name. She look like half retard. But yet still Hickey there next. Some man careless. Some man... Yes, Dana? Morning. Back to what me that say. Some man really careless. Because she no look like she come out of her cocoon yet. Me don't know what she had up on cutting table. You would have your search good for find your little vagina. But yet still Hickey da fear neck. You would have to fear little batty hole and think of your vagina. I wait to them little one time. And come to think of it, fear banking would have rubbed them more than mine because she would have take more man than me. She would have clean up more infection than me. As a matter of fact, I am out today because I'm very ignorant.